His amazing skills earned him the title the Wizard of Hockey. This year, we proudly commemorate his 121st birth anniversary. Sachin Tendulkar wisely said, people throw stones on you, but you will turn them into milestones. In the words of Abhinav Bindra, excellence is not an accident. It is built through discipline and dedication. Neeraj Chopra once said, stay focused, trust the process and keep improving every day.
PV Sindhu, one of the India's most decorated athletes, quoted, success is the result of hard work, patience and determination.
In the words of Sunil Shetty, a celebrated Indian footballer, it doesn't matter who you are, if you dream big and if you work hard, you can achieve unimaginable results.
Let your toes
the students of 5th C on the occasion of National Sports Day. National Sports Day in India is celebrated on August 29, 2026 to mark the birth anniversary of hockey legend Major Dhyanchand. It's a wonderful occasion to remind ourselves that sports are not merely about winning medals or competitions. Sports teaches some of the important lessons for our life. Discipline, teamwork, perseverance, leadership, sportsmanship, and the courage to face both victory and defeat with grace. We must remember that a healthy mind resides in a healthy body. In today's world, when children often spend a great deal of time with screens and electronic devices, participation in sports and physical activities has become even more important. I encourage each one of you to make time for outdoor games, exercise and physical activities. On this occasion, I would like to appreciate the sincere efforts of the students of class 5th C. Congratulations to the class teacher, Mr. Sapna Sharma, the associate teacher, Mr. Jaydeep Matthew, for guiding and encouraging them in preparing this assembly. I also extend my heartfelt gratitude to Hema Madam for the dance, Paddy Madam and Sansa for the music, Didi Madam and Pallavi Madam and Sunil sir for the craft work, Jaydeep sir and Shailendra sir for the LED display, and Joel sir and Rajkumar for videography. Your valuable support has helped make this presentation meaningful and engaging. Dear children, as we participate in sports, remember that the real spirit of sports lies not only in the desire to win, but also in the willingness to learn, cooperate, persevere, and respect others. As being the principal of the school, I can assure you that the management has taken a lot of initiative for the promotion of sports and games in the campus. Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me? Yes, yes. That's why our students are bringing a lot of knowledge to us.